Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Talk Daily, the podcast where you learn English through easy conversations.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here. Today, we're going to visit a coffee shop.
Have you ever wanted to order coffee in English?
Maybe you've felt nervous. What should I say? What if I don't understand? Don't worry.
Today's lesson will help you order food and drinks with confidence.
We'll listen to a real conversation,
Learn useful expressions
practice pronunciation.
and answer some easy questions together.
So, grab your favorite drink, relax, and let's learn English together.
Imagine this. You walk into a cozy coffee shop. You smell fresh coffee. The barista smiles at you. Now it's your turn to order, in English. Ready? Let's listen.
Good morning. Welcome to Sunny Cafe. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. I'd like a medium latte, please.
Of course. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Would you like any sugar?
Yes, 1 sugar, please.
Anything else?
Yes, I'd also like a blueberry muffin.
Great choice. Would you like to eat here or take it to go?
To go, please.
No problem. Your total is $8.50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please tap your card here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your order will be ready in a few minutes. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too.
Let's learn the expressions. Expression 1.
What can I get for you? This is a very common question. It means, what would you like to order? Listen again. What can I get for you?
I'd like. This is a polite way to order. Instead of saying, I want coffee, say, I'd like a coffee, please. Much more polite.
Hot or iced? Very simple. Hot means warm. Iced means cold. Examples: hot coffee, iced coffee, hot tea, iced tea.
Anything else? This means, do you want something more? Examples: yes, I'd like a cookie. No, that's all.
To go. This means you will take your food with you. If you stay inside the cafe, you can say, for here. Can I pay by card? This means, can I use my bank card? You can also say, can I pay with cash?
Practice time. Let's practice together. I'd like a latte, please. Repeat after me. I'd like a latte, please. Very good.
Anything else? Again, anything else? Excellent.
To go, please. One more time. To go, please. Nice job.
Can I pay by card? Repeat. Can I pay by card? Perfect.
Let's listen again.
Good morning. Welcome to Sunny Cafe. What can I get for you today?
I'd like a medium latte, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a blueberry muffin, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Your total is $8.50.
Can I pay by card?
Certainly.
Practice time.
Now it's your turn. Answer out loud. Ready? Question 1.
What drink did Wilbert order? Pause. He ordered a medium latte. Great.
Question 2. Was it hot or iced? Pause. Hot. Excellent.
Question 3. Did he buy food? Pause. Yes, a blueberry muffin. Very good.
Question 4. Did he eat at the cafe? Pause. No, he took it to go. Wonderful.
Question 5. How did he pay? Pause. By card. Excellent.
MINICONVERSATION. Mini conversation practice. Now you answer Wilbert's questions. Let's practice together.
Good morning. What can I get for you today? Pause. Great.
Hot or iced? Pause. Nice.
Anything else? Pause. Excellent.
For here or to go? Pause. Perfect.
Cash or card? Pause. Wonderful. Today's vocabulary. Let's review today's new words. Coffee, latte, medium, hot, iced, sugar, muffin, order, menu, customer, barista, card, cash, receipt, takeout, to go, for here, delicious, fresh, drink.
Today you learned how to A. Order coffee, B. Ask for food, C. Choose hot or iced, D. Say to go, and E. Pay by card. These are useful English expressions you can use in real-life cafes around the world.
Fantastic work today. Every conversation you practice helps you become a more confident English speaker.
Don't worry if you can't remember everything today. Listen to this lesson again. Repeat the expressions and practice speaking out loud. Little by little, you'll notice your English getting better.
Next time, we'll visit another real-life situation and learn even more useful English together.
If you enjoyed today's podcast, please like this video, subscribe to English Talk Daily, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
And here's today's challenge. Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite drink at a cafe? Try to answer in English.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember,
every day is a great day to learn English. See you in the next episode. Bye.